Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zoho Books for tax category configuration, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Zoho Books, begin by opening the Zoho Books website. Log into your Zoho account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon located in the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, look for integrations and click on it. Under the Integrations section, select API from the available options. Here, you will find important information, including your organization ID and API key. Copy your organization ID for later use. Next, click on Generate New Token to create an API access token. Once the token is generated, make sure to copy it immediately. Now, you are ready to use these credentials for authentication. To configure the tax categories, locate the Taxes option in the left sidebar. Click on Tax Settings to access various tax configurations. Select Add New Tax to create a tax category. Fill in the required fields, including tax name and percentage. Ensure you associate the newly created tax with the correct category. Save your changes to finish the configuration. Your tax categories are now set up and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.